In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Instagram account. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Instagram and there hit on your profile icon. Now, here, tap on these three lines icon and select Settings. Next, hit on Account. And there at the very bottom hit on delete account. Now keep in mind that deleting of your account is permanent. Your profile photos, videos, comments, likes and followers will be permanently deleted. If you agree with that, hit on delete account and confirm that action by hitting on continue deleting account, and after that your account will be deactivated for 30 days. All these 30 days you will be able to stop the deleting process by logging back before that specific date. So guys, that's all about permanently deleting account on Instagram, and now don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.